We're continuing with our reconstruction of Stan's harmonica. Just as a matter of habit, I'll put the round female in the bottom part and the male top part. I have a reason for doing that. That goes like that. Good. The reason is if I have trouble getting in, I have an action I can take to, this is interesting, I've got a little bit of a bend in this, which I don't want. There we go, that's a little better. Let's go up here. And that one goes down, I said, not up. Okay, I'm gonna take this and slide this. That was a hard fit. When they're in the exact correct position, they should go. Now, by having the female on the bottom, I can drop it down a little bit if it's not going in properly, which gives me a little bit of adjustment there. Okay, now we want to make sure that these are correct to the top. They are. And these are, you know, again, not too tight, just kind of snuggish. That'll do the job. Okay. Now, we just take a look at everything at this point. I'm going to come over here. We have our H bar now. It's time to start lubricating. Metal against metal that's moving always should be lubricated, so the bottom part of the H bar does get lubricated and dropped into position. Our next part is the slide. This. And then the underside here. Just has a little lubrication on it. Come here, wipe my hands off. Okay, and what I like to do at this point in time is preset these screws into the mouthpiece like this so that they're ready to simply drop in. We want to make sure that the slot on the underside here is going to go over the head of the slide spring right here. This has to be loaded for the spring to go into the correct position. By loading, I mean it has low pressure on it. Okay. So I'm going to apply down pressure here on this. And then the mouthpiece can simply drop into position smoothly. There's the click. That means I can go in. I do provide a little bit of lubrication here and here. Trying to get a certain sound. It's a little smoother in the mouthpiece. I've worked the pieces. It's a brand new slide. There it goes. Okay, now I'm going to undo everything a little bit here because I'm going to be making an ERGO button. And because I'm making an ERGO button, I always push the slide in a little bit when I release these screws so that the bumpers can rise naturally. I unscrew until I hear click. That click means that it's clear the threads. I come out. I'm going to take the slide out like this and put it here. And now reset this like this and this. Okay. I'm just going to leave that non-assembled. And this now is the slide. Now that I know it articulates properly and goes in and out comfortably, I know that the slide is okay. And now I can go ahead and prepare it for making an ERGO button, and I'll show you how to do that.